The brakes don't work. Good morning from beautiful Phrae, Thailand. I'm still in bed. I'm really tired. Today is October 14th, 2019. Day number 14 of Sober Vlogtober. I hope you're doing well. It is a little after 8 a.m. Getting a bit of a late start. I have a 1 o'clock bus to go back to Chiang Mai, Thailand. So today is travel day. Normally my girlfriend doesn't take me to the bus station because she has to work. But today she's off, so she's going to take me at the bus station. I have a little bit of a later bus. I have a 1 p.m. so I should get back to Chiang Mai around 4:30. So since it's a little after 8, I have a couple hours. I want to get a coffee. I had some dragon fruit for breakfast. Bought some at this market yesterday. So I have a plan for getting coffee, but I don't want to say what it is right now because I might change my mind in like 20 minutes or 20 seconds or whatever comes first. I guess 20 seconds comes first. All right, well, let me do stuff, and I'm not gonna say see you someplace different than I am right now, because right now I'm in bed, and there's a chance I might be in bed in the next shot, but I'm gonna try not to be. My head is thinking of an idea, so I'll try to hopefully see you somewhere different than I am right now. All right, I'm hooked up to the GoPro. I look smart. I'm at my hotel room in Phrae. I got up. It is a little after 8:30. So let's go. Let's get some coffee. Let's get a bicycle. Let's see. We'll see the mean streets of Phrae. Sweaty cup. Pom ao Jackie-an cup. Ao Jackie-an cup. Did I say bike right? That sounds wrong. Jackie-an. It's a Jackie-ya. I'm American, I'm not Thai. Oh, it's nice out. Looks like it rained out. Wait. All right, cup for my cup. Wait, how to?
Kick. Okay.
Oh. All right, cup.
Bye bye, cup.
All right, bye bye, cup for my cup. Sabadi my cup. All right. This is where I shot the intro yesterday. There might be some dogs down the other way, so let's go this way. Oi. The brakes don't work. I don't think I need brakes though. Oh god, there's a dog there. Oh god. Oh my god, I'm old. Thailand. 7-Elevens, coffee shops, and temples. Oh, the road's closed. Damn. Yeah, they're doing a lot of renovations around. I think it's alright for bikes. Oh crud. Oh darn. All right. Road's closed. Damn it. This is a clear shot that way. Oh boy. Truck backing up. All right. I'm bad at directions, so please help me remember. My hotel's that way. Okay, we're gonna go to a different coffee shop then. But the thing is, the hotel's that way. Things open all right. Things close early, open late, and play. So that one coffee shop, I know they're open. But there's another coffee shop down here. Darn. That one was really good. The one I was gonna go to. Ooh, beautiful temple.
Okay. Go right. All right, we're lost. Well, not really lost. Let's go take a look what's going on here. Darn, I want some coffee though. Yeah. Oh wow, I don't think I've ever been in here. Sietawan Arboretum. Oh, this is beautiful. That's just there's a coffee shop around here. Ah, Swaddy Cup. Line Cafe Utinai Cup. Line Cafe Cup. Oh, my village cup. Line Cafe.
ร้านกาแฟ
ครับผม
มันช่วงนี้มัน
เนี่ยผมเอาดื่มกาแฟครับ
เนี่ยร้านอยู่มุมเนี่ยเพราะมันเปิด
ที่นั้น
ขายใช่
So
ไม่ใช่นี่อยู่
ตรงไปครับ
ตรงไฟอยู่ทางขวามือ
ขวา Okay ครับผม Alright ขอบคุณมากครับ ครับ I probably should explore this area. I think this might be interesting. But I need some coffee. I need coffee. So we go straight and make a right on a little street. All right. Oi. Okay. On the road again. All right. So he said go straight and go right. I've heard that before. 2 hours later. Did you say right here? I don't know. We're just gonna like kind of stop. Ah, P. Wake up. Line Cafe.
กาแฟแถวนี้ไม่มีต้องประตูมานตรงประตูมานอันนี้พักที่ไหนโรงแรม
So Line Cafe. So Qua.
ตรงไปนี่นะเลี้ยวขวาตรงไปแล้วก็มันจะมีขวามือไง
Okay. Okay, I see the sign for my hotel. I have a phone. Do I have a phone? Yes, I have a phone. I don't know how to contact the police in Thailand though. Okay. Ban Mai. Okay, maybe it's... Oh, is this a coffee shop? No. Okay, there's a little shop. I think this little street here. Okay, my hotel's right there. I'm not lost. So, oh wow, there's a really 2 scary effing dogs like looking at me. Oh, I see a coffee shop. Thank God. Okay, the dog's not following us, but we're gonna have to pass that dog later on. Here we go. Coffee house. Is it open? That is the question. Oh, I've been wanting to drink here. Oh yeah. Jackie Antini cup. Jackie Antini cup. All right, got to the coffee shop. They're open at 8. Cup open. Cup. All right. Kind of looking at me weird. That's a middle-aged Caucasian man with a camera on his head. I mean, come on. Get with the program. Okay. Cup. Turn the camera. Bye-bye. All right, got a coffee shop. I'm gonna sit down. I wish I could sit down right here and drink my coffee. I don't know if I'll be able to get back up, but I know I can get down here. Oh, okay, cup. Maybe like cup. I don't know what's happening. I'm not sure what's happening right now. I just want some coffee. Ooh, actually, this looks nice sitting over here. You know, I think I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna try to get up. All right, those children might have to help me stand up. Oh, actually, I got it. Whoa, someone's pretty flexible. I could do some gymnastics today. Put my shoes on. Hopefully, next time you see me, I'm drinking some coffee. Some nice knickknacks. It's just really quaint. I love the coffee shops in Thailand. The coffee's really good and the decor is kind of neat. Has random stuff, but it fits. I'd like to sit outside, but I'm not seeing any place. Oh, that looks like someplace you'd go when you're bad at school. Like sit in the corner. I'm not seeing a table outside. I could sit here. Smells very good.
I am Mai.
These are the children of Play who speak English. What is your name?
My
My
name
name is Mamin. My name is Cartoon.
เรียนอะไร Math
Matt.
อ๋อไม่ชอบ Math ไม่เก่งครับ คุณ what's your name?
My name is T.
T Mr. T
My name is Pam.
Pam ครับ Your name?
My name is Bam.
Oh Bam
Bam.
Bam
Bam. My name is Emmy.
Amy nice to meet you. Nice to meet everybody. I'm sorry, P what's your name ครับ
I am Vanduni.
Wanduni
Teacher in Wat Metang Karawat School.
Alright, cool. Well, thank you everybody. Bye bye. Come. I gotta go back to Chiang Mai. Okay. I see no dogs. If you're in Play, come to this place. One House Cafe. Got some new subscribers. You subscribe? Alright. They're all watching my videos. Good stuff. Good luck, Cup. Hopefully no dogs attack me. Alright, bye-bye, Cup. Oi, Jackie on. Oh, the brakes don't work. Alright, well I saw a bunch of thug dogs. Nice place, nice people. Very nice people. Okay, there's a dog right there. Keep on moving. Stop. Oh, I can. I don't have brakes. Okay, I guess you can't stop. Alright. Bunch of thug-ass dogs here. Nothing. We made it. Hey, it's really close to my hotel. Alright. Made it back without being attacked by dogs. Spotty cop. Hi. Made it back alive. All right. Shopping cart. Hey, maybe next time I can take a shopping cart instead of a bike. So today is damn it. Good day. All right. I probably need to pack. I'm going to be leaving soon. A good view. Yeah, very nice coffee shop. Nice people here. All right. Next time I see you, I'll see you someplace different than I am right now. Yeah, the name of this restaurant is Banjai. I've probably been here 6-7 times. It's in Play. Down there is a really good coffee shop called The Post. It's really nice atmosphere. Yeah, I'll show you some other time, but really good. I love this city. Like when I was at that other coffee shop and I was talking to those little kids, it reminded me so much of Chiang Mai back when I was here like 9 years ago. I mean, tourism kind of makes the place a little more edgier. And this place doesn't get a lot of tourists. It gets a lot of like Thai tourists from like the surrounding towns. But yeah, no, this is a really charming town. I love it, Play. I'm always really happy when I'm here. Grabbing some lunch before I head out to the bus station. Tam? Oh, it's like somtam, but khanom jin. Oh, I'll try this. Okay, this is like somtam, like that papaya salad, but with these noodles called khanom jin. This looks really good, actually. Pork satay. It's really good here. Gayang. So chicken barbecue. Alright, somtam, but it's with cucumber and actually we asked for somtam Thai. This is like somtam Isan, you can tell by the crab. I like somtam Thai better, but this is still pretty good. Pretty stuffed now. Gotta head to the, left a little bit of food. Very good, as always. Gotta head to the bus station. It costs 195 baht. That's around $6. So it's a lot cheaper in Phrae than it is in Chiang Mai. Just an FYI, I bought a matcha green tea for my girlfriend and I got myself a yogurt strawberry smoothie, 140 baht. So for a little over $1 more, you can eat 2 people, like a lot of good food in Thailand. Coffee and specialty drinks are pretty expensive in Thailand, even out here in a more rural type area. Actually, okay, I'm at the bus station, but look at this genius. Look how they parked. Isn't that crazy? At the bus station, bus should be here in 20 minutes. Alright, I just got off the bus back in Chiang Mai. Had a good visit, had a good holiday. Hope everyone enjoyed the videos when I was in Phrae and when I went to Nan. Comment below, let me know what you think about them. I always appreciate comments and feedbacks. You know, it's always good to know if you're doing an okay job, right? Yeah, we're getting into the winter season. Does anybody have any trips coming up? Let me know where you're going, how you're getting there, what you like doing when you're on vacation. I like going to, as you see, I like going to temples. I normally like going out to get something to eat and have a cold beer, but you know, Sober Vlogtober. Please subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, click that bell, turn on those notifications. Got a bunch more videos. This is the end of number 14 of Sober Vlogtober, October 14, 2019. How many more do we have? We have 17 more. We're almost at the halfway point. Not that I'm keeping track. Would be nice to be able to go out for the evening. If you like this video, you find it entertaining, give it a thumbs up. And always remember this, no matter who you are or where you are, peace.